Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to remove lock screen password from your Redmi Android phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do, let's say for instance, I want to access this particular Redmi right here. I'm going to enter the lock password and I'll hit on enter. So it's going to open up my phone right here, but in some cases, you may decide to remove the lock password on your Redmi Android phone. Next thing you want to do is to head over to settings on your Redmi Android phone. So I'm going to click on setting right here. After you open up your setting, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to security and privacy. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down again. Scroll down and go to device unlock. Click on that. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on screen lock. Click on that. Then re-enter your password. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, for you to remove password lock screen completely, what you need to do is to switch to none right here. Then click on delete. It's that simple. By the time I exit from my Redmi right here, and I try to close the phone, and by the time I try to have access back to the phone, the password will no longer be required before I can access my phone. If I simply tap on here, and you can see I was able to access the phone successful without require password to access my phone. It's that simple. So you can close it back again, turn it on, close it back, and let's check it out in a few minutes later, and let's check it out again. You can see password does not require again. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.